This might be the most expensive silver that I actually paid money for. And I'm gonna show it to you guys today. I will be the light that shines. Thank you guys so much for watching another video from Urban Lifestyle. My name is Eli. This is a community over 8,000 strong. If you guys would like to help support this community, you guys can help out by leaving a subscribe, leaving a comment, leaving a thumbs up. Find me on my social media platform, Urban Lifestyle 1989. And don't forget to hit that notification icon so you guys get future notifications of my future videos. And if you guys do decide to join this community, I sincerely want to say thank you in advance. So, question of the day. What is the most expensive dollar amount that you actually had to pay for one piece of silver? Just one. Comment down below. Let me and the community know. So this right here is actually a piece. This is not going to be added to my collection. This is a personal piece of mine that I wanted to buy. I liked it and I was like, you know what? It's my birthday month. I want to spend just a little bit extra for my birthday. And I believe that I deserve it. All right. I believe I deserve it. Now, let's go into it and I'm going to give you guys the whole details about the coin and everything about that. So let me just open it up right here. Get that out the way. Boom. There we go. Now, this comes from a company called First Coin Company, Inc. All right. Now, they modify silver. They get silver coins and they add dyes and paint to them and they do so much other stuff with them. Now, I was talking with JT and JT had a coin that he liked and I was like, yeah, I saw that too. I saw a picture of that and I want to get it for myself. So let's see how this baby looks. All right, I just want to open it. Let's see. Now, it's a great company. They have so much other coins on there, like so much beautiful coins that they have on there. And it's a real good company. The only thing I'll say, it did take like about maybe a good month for me to actually receive this. I've been waiting on it for a long time. But it's a real good company. I like it. I like what they have. And here's some of the credentials they have. The website is www.firstcoincompany.com. You guys can check it out. I also have the link down in the description below. If you want to see their Instagram, that's what it is, at firstcoincompany.com. Their Facebook, First Coin Company, and their YouTube, First Coin Company. All right. Put that aside. And let's see what we have in this baby here. Now, I know what some of you guys may say, oh man, you spent this much for that? Like, oh man, that's a waste of money. And plus, I don't like any silver that's tarnished or tampered with. Yeah, that's true. But like I said, I did not buy this to actually put in my stack. I just bought this for me. It's my birthday month. And I'm like, hey, you know what? It's time for me to actually spend some money on myself. And that's why I made this purchase today. And I want to know what you guys think. So I actually, before I open it, I actually spent about $69, I want to say $69, and it's just 1 ounce of silver. Crazy, right? I mean, don't crucify me, please. I know you guys are probably going to the comments right now and
like, oh no, Eli, why the hell would you spend that much money on 1 ounce of silver? It makes no sense. Oh man, unsubscribe now.
All right, too much? Yeah, I'll tone it down a little bit. But to be honest with you, like I said, I bought this for me and I felt like, hey, you know, I liked it, all right? And I just wanted to buy it. So let's open this baby up. I like it. I like the packaging that it's in so far. You see, it has that magnet right there. You know, I may not keep it in here. I might put it in the tube and then put it in, you know, with the rest of my silver. But I don't know. I might just keep it. I don't know. We'll see what I'll do with it. So let's open this baby up. And it says it's the Blackout Collection. There he goes, real nice, real beautiful. You guys want to see the coin, don't you? You guys like, take that thing out the way and show me what you got. Now let's look at the beauty of it first. Let's see what we have here. Let's see what we have here, huh? I mean, come on. All right, it has some of the stuff. It says issuing country, United States, face value $1, year 2016, the weight 1 ounce, purity 99.9% silver, diameter 40.6 millimeters, finish black rhodium, and 24 karat gold. You guys see that? Let me show you guys that. Mintage, only 1,000 of them. Only 1,000 of them. And this coin is about 904 out the 1,000. That is awesome. All right. Looks real nice. Let's see, you guys want to know what do I have inside? What is it that I got? Let's open this baby up. You guys ready? You guys ready? Voila. That's what I got. I got this little sponge thing. You guys like, man, take that sponge out the way. All right, I'll take it out the way. And here we go. Here we go. This beautiful thing right here. Let's open it up and see. Right here. Oh man, it even has like this thing right here where you pop it open and it'll just sit open. I'll show you guys later. But here it goes. Let's take it out. It's this rhodium finish. Rhodium finish, the blackout collection. Now the rhodium is surrounded all around it, and this is gold plated. All right, now I was expecting this to be a little bit darker, a little bit more blacker than we see here. It still looks like silver, but it is blacked out. I don't know if you guys can tell. And right here we have the back itself, which is also in gold. It looks real beautiful. Yeah, I know I spent $69 on this. All right, and I was like, yeah man, this is so beautiful. I gotta get it. I have to have it. I mean, if you look at it, it looks real nice. I'm not even gonna take it out the capsule, to be honest with you. But yes, I can definitely see the black marks on it. Not the black marks, but you know what I mean. Like, it is blacked out. It looks black. All right, it's actually, yeah, matter of fact, now that I'm looking at it in a different light, it looks real dark. So yeah, there's just a shiny finish to it. So yeah, this is a rhodium piece right here. Rhodium plated, rhodium and gold plated right there on it. Looks real nice. 2016. All right, Lady Liberty right there with the flag behind her. We go to the back. I mean, it looks real nice. I can't lie. I really like it. You know, this is gonna be real awesome to add to my collection here. Now, what I was saying about this is it comes with a, let me see if I can take it out easily. Right there, you have that right there. You can hang it up, put it on here, just like that. And then you pull this out like this, and you could just have it standing there as part of a collection right there. It looks real nice. It looks real nice. Let me see if I could take it out and show you guys right there. Look how beautiful this looks. You know, it looks real nice. I'm not complaining. Some of you guys may be like, well, I'll never spend that much. But yes, this is the most expensive silver piece that I actually bought. And now I can say I have a little bit of rhodium too, right? Not that much rhodium, but I can say I have a little bit of rhodium. All right, it looks real beautiful. But guys, that's pretty much all I have for you guys. I want to know what you guys think. Comment down below, let me know, and have a beautiful day. And don't forget to always work and grind. Everything